said, what about Ada? You don't think she's a little annoying? Ashley commands tight, loose. Switch between tight and loose formation. Ashley will stick close behind Leon. Oh my god, it's a delivery run, and Ashley's the... it's babysitting! Babysitting a grown woman.
Bruh.
This is going to get on my nerves very quickly. Okay, Ashley. I have to keep the church safe. While Ashley goes, Leon, Leon.
What do we do?
What do we do, Leon? Help me, Leon.
Your father trusts me.
Yeah, we
And I
do
need you to trust me too.
I think he's cold.
Do
His lips
exactly
are
as I
blue.
say. I'm gonna get you home safe.
Okay. Okay, Leon.
Are those shorts? I thought she was wearing a skirt. Skirt?
Hey, trust me.
Trust me, lady I just ran. You can trust me. Don't worry. Trust me. You can trust me. She missed the treasure. I didn't think it was gonna let me out right away. Oh, did you see they looked at each other? Oh my god, they made eye contact. Oh my god, so... Uh-oh. Ashley! Lady! Told the woman to stay out of my way. What does she do? Stand in the way. I'm gonna send you back to your father looking like a piece of Swiss cheese. And whose fault is it gonna be? Mine!
Hey, can we take a break?
You haven't done
we need to
anything.
keep moving.
Leon, what are you doing?
Don't even think about trying this yourself.
Me? As if.
Oh my god, as if. Shoot. How are we supposed to do this?
Leave this one to me.
Oh. Whatever.
Don't leave me.
What
Leon, are you kidding me? Jumping across chandeliers, seriously, who does that?
do you want from me, woman?
What are you, my mother?